Hi guys, thanks for joining me this morning on this Sunday morning. I thought I'd drive to work and record and see if I can get to work without putting the brakes on. So it's not far to work for me. But let's see if we can get to work without using the brakes. Just regen braking like I did then. It's on hold setting, regen, so junction. Speed bump here. There's a couple more speed bumps coming up. Lovely Sunday morning down in Newquay in Cornwall if you're living in the UK, and if you don't, that's down in the southwest of the UK. Hope you can hear me because the phone's on the dashboard. Half-term week in the UK, so I'm off to work. Junction here, so I just lift the foot of the accelerator slightly here, back here, just to slowly creep into the junction, and left my foot of the accelerator now completely, so I'll come to complete stop. Again, I've not put my foot on the brake as yet. We do get a chance for a little bit of acceleration, we'll do that. It was in chill mode. Speed back coming up here, so I just let off accelerate a little bit to slow down a little bit. Junction here on the left hand side, so I'm turning left here, so let's just take the foot of accelerator slowly. So we just drifted into that one. Again, I'm not lifting my foot of accelerator completely, I just lift it off gently. Just a little bit, just feather it, just so I just cruise into the junction. It can be a bit tight down this road here because this car's parked on the left hand side all the time, and the road's really not wide enough, so you have to be careful. Don't clip ring mirrors, and that's not good because I've got a bus in front of me. Let it get away a little bit before I turn right here, so just feather the accelerator. No problem at all. I really do want to follow that bus. He's going exactly the same way as I'm going, so I can't show you any acceleration. What a pain. But again, the point of this exercise, really, this little trip was really just for to show you the regen braking, so never mind. I'll do acceleration video again in the next couple of days. Again, I've just feathered the accelerator because of the speed bump there. Haven't used the brakes yet. although this bus is going so slow. I will go a different route in a second. Oh, he's gone a different route. That's handy. So our signal to go down here. We go down here. Let's go down this route here. There's Town Beach in front of you. I was down there this morning. I'll put my other video YouTube channel, No Worries Adventures. People walking in the middle of the road. It's called a pavement. Again, I haven't used the brakes at all for the whole journey in this morning. So I just signal going here where this person seems to realise there's a parking. So I just put in reverse. So I went on a trip to work there, ladies and gentlemen, without using the brakes at all, not once. That's how good the Regen is, this car. Thanks for joining me this morning. Until the next one. Cheers for now.